Thanks for stopping into the Perfect Storm Trading YouTube channel. Go to our website perfectstormtrading.com if you would like a chance to win a free copy of the Perfect Storm Trading Book and Indicator Package. Go to our website. You will get a pop-up box on the front page. You can drop your first name and your email in, send it to us. We will send you one email back with instructions on how to enter the contest. We will not spam your email, nor will we pass your email on to anyone else. So if you want to get a shot at getting into this contest, go to perfectstormtrading.com and sign up on our website. Good morning, everyone. Monday, August 23rd, 2021. Back here again after a couple of off days. I want to go over the Astro Excel roadmap for the week. We'll take a look at the pressure on the green line first of all. We're moving up until we hit this peak area. Today at about, it goes from 120 to about 1832 today. 1:20 in the afternoon, or 13:20. We have a significant pivot on the blue line here about 7:26. We're coming right into that now. We have another one at the middle of it. It's about 2 o'clock, a couple of minutes after 2. So this is a key area to watch where we're at an extreme on the blue line and the green line, but we're at opposite polarity, so it's difficult to say which way that's going to go. Then we get into this downward pressure, which is going to go through on the green line until tomorrow at again about 13:29, about 1:30 in the afternoon. Key point on the blue line for tomorrow is 12:37 a.m. Then we make a couple pivots between the 10 lines. The green line kind of flattens out tomorrow on the 24th, about that 1:30, 2 o'clock frame. It's kind of sideways between the 0 and it just gets outside the plus 10 line. We get another bottom on the blue line right here at about 18:20 tomorrow night. So even though we're neutral on the green line, we got a pretty strong push up on the blue line. We've got a potential change of trend on the 25th at 3:30, or again at 6:35. The blue line spikes to 2 peaks. The green line has peaked. They're both in sync down on the 25th from 7:27 a.m. They're both in sync until about 12:30, 12:40 when the blue line starts to turn up. Green line heads down. Blue line spike peak here at 16:16 in the afternoon, or right at the close. Both lines again in sync to 19:15 that night. Green line starts heading up. Blue line spike bottoms here at about 23 minutes after midnight on the 26th. Both lines are in sync upward then until about 9 o'clock on the 26th. Green line turns down, blue line turns down in sync with the green line at 11:32 on the 26th.
Connection lost.
Both lines roll back over together into the close on Friday. Spike peak on the blue line about 9:11 in the morning, and then from there both of the lines are synced down for the rest of the day. So there's kind of a trend outlook for the week. Gives you an idea of the key points on the Excel. You can refer to this video to see what's going on and what the times are for each day. So that's it for today. We'll see you again tomorrow with another video on Tuesday.